I forgot she had instructions too. Can't be bothered. For the first three, nah, this ain't it. This ain't it. Alright guys, I'm at the supermarket. Guys.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you
Apples, plantain, breast, ramen noodle, bread, egg, bun, cheese, sausages, and water.
Green plantain cost $200 and the ripe plantain was $300.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Arthur Fly, and it's day 18th of Artmas or Vlogmas. Couple more days to go, guys. Alright, so you can see that it's a different setting right now because guess what? I told you guys in one of the videos that I will be doing a seafood boil soon, and today I will be doing this one. For those who watched the previous vlogs and know what I'm talking about, it's the first time trying this. So it's the Riley's Festival Mix. Just add water. Alright, so this lady is the one who kind of motivated me to do the blending of the, what you call it now, the garlic, the sweet pepper, the onions, etc, to blend it instead of just chopping it up and put it in the frying pan or wherever. I started to blend those things because of her. But anyways, I've been watching her videos and trust me, her foods look delicious. Her food looks so nice. So I said I have to try this. It's a must. So I said I have to try this one. It's a must, guys. It's a must. So let's see if the hype is really there or not, guys. So stay tuned for that, guys. Alright guys, I have the famous Riley's Festival Mix. Just add water. Now when I was watching the video, she said I needed a little bit of flour. So I watched the video here and I watched the video. I will not be able to watch the video now because I'm using my phone to record. So hopefully I remember what she said. Alright, so the instructions are here. How to make it is here. The nutritional facts is here, etc. So now I'm thinking I'm gonna do all of this tonight. It's about here, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do all of this tonight. Reason being, I don't think I'm gonna make any more festival for this year because Christmas Eve I'm gonna buy some festival. She did even mention that you can leave it overnight, like you can make the dough. This part is kind of hard to open. So you can make the dough. I probably did not tear it right. You can make the dough and put it in the fridge and it will be better that way. I don't know why this is not open. Let me get my scissors. I went for my scissors because it's not opening. It's a Ziploc. So I don't know. Probably I didn't tear it properly. Alright, so that is it. I'm going to use all of the pack. So she mentioned that I needed a little bit of flour, but should I get the flour now or later? Not even sure. I think I'm going to get it now just in case. Alright, so I have my flour here and I have some water here. I think I'm going to need more than that, and she said it should be a little bit sticky. Alright, so let's see how that goes. I think I'm going to take out the flour. Alright, so she said let it sit, so I forgot about that. So I'm not going to need the flour for right now, so I'm going to let it sit for a while with the towel, the hand towel over it, and then after that I use the flour. So let's see how this goes, guys. And I'm using my hand. My hands are clean. I don't want to pour too much water. Guys, you know I'm not a cook. I just love to try things and learn things and then work my way from there. So I'm not a chef, I'm not a big cook or anything, but I like to try. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying right now. I only have 20 minutes on this and I already used up 4. Alright, so I'm gonna focus because I don't want to spoil it. I only bought 1 mix. 1. So it should be a little bit sticky. I know for that. It should be a little bit sticky. So this is definitely too dry right now. Need to put in some more water, so let me get the water. There's no more water in the cup, so a little drain. Just a little bit drains. Oh, I forgot she had instruction, guys. Guys, if you watch my potato pudding vlog, you see that I don't like instructions. I forgot she had instructions too. Can't be bothered. I can't be bothered. Alright, is this too sticky or not? I don't know. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna check on the video and get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I watched the video and it's just a little bit too sticky, so I'm gonna put some flour on it. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Not too much, just a little bit. Alright. Alright, I think this one is better. Yeah, so yes, this is it, guys. So I'm gonna let it sit with the wet napkin, she said. Yeah, so that's it. Just a little bit of flour I needed because it wasn't. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So guys, I'm gonna let it sit with the napkin for 30 minutes as she says. Probably 15 because I think I can't wait so long. So let's do this. Alright guys, so I just put the what you call it now, it's not the hand towel but it's a napkin, a wet napkin over it. So I'm gonna let it sit. Just gonna put this over it and clean up what is going on here. I'm back, yeah lady. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the flour now, guys. And if you can see, yeah, put it right there. So I'm gonna put the flour here. That too much or a little bit, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna work with that and see. Right, and then it has been sitting for 20 minutes, guys. I couldn't wait 30 minutes. I'm hungry. So 20 minutes it has been sitting, and the oil is eating up. So let's do this. Alright, she said put it now a little ball like, and then you sprinkle the flour and then you knead it up. Righty. Oh, you guys seen? Yeah. Oh, let me plug in back the light because I don't want it to be too dark. Alright, there you go, guys. Alright, so here you go now. Hope it's not too dark. I'm not sure of the consistency. I saw hers, but I'm not sure if mine is going to look like hers. I think she put some more flour on it after she knead it. I no matter. I don't know. Alright, probably I can make some like this and then make some a little bit thicker with the flour. I don't know, but we'll see. Gonna make a few like that and then see how it work out, cause this one is really big. This one feels like it's perfect. This one is thick. And this one, I think this one is, and this one is the same. So the first three, nah, this ain't it. This ain't it. So I have a few more left. I think I need to make it a bit smaller. So I'm going to do that because they're too big. The fire was definitely too high for the first batch, so I turned it down. God bless. If these ones are going to, you know, what do you call it, in the middle, cook in the middle, or be done in the middle, but we'll see. We will find out today. I think smaller is better. Smaller is better. But I did manage to redeem myself with these ones, so hopefully in the middle is done properly. Stay tuned for that. Now for these ones that was not done, the stove was way too high, so as I put it in the oil, it just became black. So in the middle is not done. So what I'm thinking, I'm going to open it out. Not sure if that is going to even work, and put it back in the oven, in the oil when I'm done. So when I'm done, I'm going to put this back in there. I'm not wasting my flour. See there, it's not done. So later on I'm going to do that. I'm going to refry it. These ones were the second tries. These ones is the third try. There's no light. I had to put it between medium and low heat to get this color. But anyways, it's time to test it out. So let's see how this is going to turn out. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna put the rundown in it, rundown, Jamaican language, rundown in it, and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so this is what I have so far. Now for the rundown, I had some scallion, onion, garlic, and so already chopped up and blend up, and it was frozen. Then I used that to include in the coconut powder. This has been done from about 6:45. This has been done, so it's very cold, very cold. But this one I've just completed it, but nevertheless, what it is what it is. So I'm gonna try it outside, give you my review, my take on it, and just stay tuned. Alright guys, I decided to let the hair down. I only have 1 minute on this, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna cut it and taste it and see how it is. Now I'm not sure if inside is done, but we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna cut it to see if it's done in this. Alright, I'm gonna cut the other one. What do you think, guys? Oh, it's not showing. What do you think? But anyways, I'm gonna taste it because I have to go, guys. I have to go. Oh, probably I should have tasted it without the rundown. So let me do that. Okay. You have a buzz. So no, guys, it really does have, it has a buzz to it, right? It is soft. It's not dry. Very crunchy. Kind of tastes different from how me usually make it. Well, definitely. It really tastes nice. It's different. Definitely would recommend this. Okay, guys. Definitely not there with me. Guys, it's definitely not dry. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna eat this. Do my intro. I did do an intro already. I don't remember. Alright. For the first ones that I burnt, I felt like I should have followed the instruction from the get-go, and it would not have been burnt. And as a teacher, I should have been following the instruction, but when I'm cooking, I like to make my own mistakes and then learn from it. So it's just me. But every other thing, I will follow the instruction. But this is really good, guys. This is really good. My husband really likes festivals, so that is why I decided to try to see if it's kind of different, etc. For festival lovers out there, I would recommend that you go ahead and try it out. Just, it could be a once in a lifetime thing, it could be a frequent thing, but at least try if you love festival. I'm not really a festival person, but as I said, my husband loves festival, so I wanted to try and see if it's different. Alright, so he could get that different taste or something and comment on it. Probably I should have made him comment on it, but he's sleeping right now. I took too long. By the way, guys, it's after 10 in the night. I don't know when you guys gonna get this vlog, but let me close out for now because I need to edit. The hair, oh my god, I didn't do the hair update, guys. Look how my hair is flowing. That's the only thing I like about it. The reason why it's flowing so much is because I kept it wrapped up for the whole week, and my ends were safe, smooth and clean and nice. So yes, I like that about me wrapping up my hair for the 1 week. I think I'm gonna pull it out tomorrow, Thursday, so stay tuned for a live or a vlog. All right, guys, I also want to do an art project. Stay tuned for that. So far, the dandruff is still there, my hair is still dry. I'm gonna go back to the egg and protein. The do-rag did not fall off, so yeah. So tomorrow I'll give you more updates on the hair. This is very good. I'm gonna continue eating, drink some chamomile tea and edit and go to bed. Sorry about the noise in the background. I will see you guys soon, and thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. This is extremely good.
So the reason why I don't like festival is because whenever I eat it, it makes my head hurts. I only eat festival from scotches. For persons who know scotches in Jamaica, I only eat festival from scotches, and this festival also did not make my head hurt, so that's a good thing. So I find two places or two types of festivals that I can eat that does not make my head hurt.
Alright guys, so you thought I was joking, so I actually took off the burnt part and refry it, and that's how it is. So see it here, I took it off and refry it. I don't know how inside look. Alright, so here it is guys.